There are some very mysterious hatches and a bunker in the new Caldera map for Warzone, and I'm assuming this is going to be connected to whatever's going to happen with Easter eggs in the future. So this is definitely something you want to keep an eye on. In this video I'm going to show you where every hatch we found so far is and the bunker door. So we've got 8 hatches and the bunker door. If you found any that aren't included in this, please let me know in the comments. Tell us exactly where it is. If you've got a link to a screenshot or a video, that's even better. And then we'll keep on updating this until we're sure that we've got every single one. Massive thanks to Maisdeux and Cassian and Brug for helping with finding these and making the map and everything like that. It's been super helpful and I wouldn't have been able to do it without them. So let's get to it. The first one on our list is in ruins, and this one's particularly well hidden. It's actually the most recent one that was found by Cassian. So this is just near some tents in ruins, and it's kind of overgrown. The whole thing's covered over, which is really interesting because like all of the other ones look kind of identical. So this is just here in ruins. So on the west side of the map, just near ruins, you can see there's like the pool there to the northeast of that, and then to the west of these tents you'll find it hidden back here. Right near Butcher's Plain, where you can see it's crashed over here. If you just head up the beach a little bit, you'll find it next to this hut. Now this is one that's in the cinematic, so I'm kind of assuming that it's going to be something important, but there are many more like it, and you can see that the hatch has the same kind of colouring as the bunkers. So it's got the kind of grey concrete, then a red stripe, and then the brown iron. So just like the bunker doors in Verdansk, we've got really similar colours for this. And on the map it is just there. So just in the southeast corner of Lagoon, that's where we are. Now this is the Arsenal hatch. So you can see it's a little way away from Arsenal, just to the south of it. So just here in D2, there's the Arsenal hatch. So this next one is just near the phosphate mines. You can see the mines down there. It's up on the hill next to this kind of bulldozer thing. Looks like it's recently been cleared. See it on the map. It's just there.
Here's your direction.
So northwest of that little pool, just west of the mines. The next one is just to the sort of northeast of Airfield, from the end of the runway. If you come out this way, you can see it there on the map. You can actually see it on the map. It sort of actually appears as something you can see. So that one is the Airfield one. The next one is a little bit more hidden. It's actually behind this waterfall. So this waterfall, if I just show you on the map, is sort of near power plant, southeast of power plant. There's a waterfall there, and if you just go through the left hand side of it, it goes into a secret cave where you can get some loot and stuff like that. And then there is another hatch in the cave. The next one, you actually have to drop down this big hole at Peak, and it's inside the cavern at the top of Falcon's Peak. So you can see here in the middle of that cave, right in the center of the map, this is where the Falcon's Peak hatches. Also on the side of Falcon's Peak is the bunker. So we've got a bunker door, and like I was saying about the hatches, you can see the colouring. We've got the grey concrete and then the red stripe and then the brown metal. At the moment the keypad doesn't work, but I'm hoping in future that it will. But this is the only bunker door that we've found so far. If anyone else sees another one, please let us know. There's no bunker numbers or anything like that on there. But this is just on the west hand slopes of Peak. Just down here, there's like a bunch of barrels on a flag, and then you've got the bunker door. So this is the docks hatch, and you can see it's just there in this little kind of dirt area with a truck and things. So on the map, it's just to the south, sort of slightly southwest of docks. You can see that hatch there. So the next hatch is at Plentiful Fields, and it's just behind these 2 big silos. There's one sort of hidden away down here. So if you just look on the map, you can see just kind of, there's these 2 triangular things on the map. I don't know why they're triangular. And then the actual hatch is just there. So Plentiful Fields, just kind of the north side of it, south of the Peak. So the next one is kind of on Beachhead, and you can see this one pretty clearly from the air. It's just near all of these tents and the sort of howitzers or artillery. So kind of to the southeast of Beachhead, there's another hatch there. So this is the resort hatch. So you can see here, if you look where that clock tower is, there's kind of this hill and a pond type thing around it just to the southwest, and it's right on the top of this hill. So fairly easy to see, fairly easy to spot, just in the middle of these trees. So there's the main resort. It's kind of to the northwest of that, just to the southwest of that yellow clock tower, right at the top of that hill. Right, and then there's another one just to the sort of north of Subpen. You can see just here on that marker. It's just in these kind of ramparts, there's another hatch. So that's the sub-pen hatch. If you found this helpful, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe and turn your notifications on. See you for the next one.